Chilnedo ni sangi lo jindu gube tse ni sechu ni pime dizu ki kasha ne Khonsa gyao rambuchi kuyu yangsi pepcho kola yongyab seta shi pewe nang. Gyana shungki chilu nidong dun lor pyoogyu nang tengi chugu yangsi todam chetab shebe timsu tempep chebe te kasha ki langcho seshe na we nang. Dunsen shibe to chino khonsa gyanggu shimbo ki kuyu yangsi pepcho kor gombo choki chilchik tong gubge chuchu regulo ne galop rinpep tang. Chilu nidong chukji dao gube tse ni sabshi ni yongyab seta gyang sing tang. Dishin chungyur yang gyawe yangsi da dewe nangu tata gyawa rambuchi kangi ki takchu zegyu le shen shungir sulayang teju chebe wangce me ji kwe gyang dawadi tse chukji ni sikyun pema tsirin cho men dawan tu shungdi tsamsi pebe kub ngati tang sanne zongbyung ka ki shungdi neyu mina namla maung bar khonsa gyawa kunchin chonga be yangsi men tang lada su kuchung sibe kola tamshe tida nasong.
And His Holiness has a special affinity for people in Mon. You never know whether His Holiness will be born here or Ladakh. Because His Holiness has always said, I'll be born in a free world. And lamas are born where they have very good human bonding, personal relationship between the gurus and the shishyas. And His Holiness also has a special bonding with the people in Ladakh. So these two could be possible places where His Holiness may be born in future.